Hello everyone, this is Ernie Hartman, Technical Services Manager at AMP Global. Today we're going to review looking up what products are applicable to a vehicle on the PAC website and how to filter the results. Okay, let's get started by looking up a vehicle. We'll do a 2019 Dodge Ram. Seems to be a pretty popular vehicle these days. Also, you can find applications for this vehicle under 2019 Ram truck. So we'll go ahead and look that one up. So now that we have the vehicle selected, we hit search, wait for the results to load. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's slower, depending on how many products are associated with that vehicle. This one loaded pretty quick. So now we can see the results here. We have an integrated kit, 3 steering wheel control modules, 2 GPS antenna adapters, AMP Pro modules, ANC module bypass harness, as well as a BCI module. So now, as some of you may know, the 2019 Ram came in 2 body styles. One was a classic and one was a new body style. So how do you know what works for which body style? Well, right here under additional model information, if you select that, you can see we have a classic, which is the same as the 2018, and the non-classic, which is the same as a new body style. So if you or your customer have the new body style, you would select non-classic, hit search. So now you can see the results have changed a bit. We no longer have the integrated kit. Still have the 3 steering wheel control modules, AMP Pro modules, the ANC bypass harness. But if you'll notice, the GPS antenna adapters are gone, as well as the BCI module. That's because none of those have been validated or verified as working on that vehicle. And as you may or may not know, the dash for the new body style is completely different. So let's say you or your customer have a classic. Select classic, click search. So now we see the results here. We have the integrated kit, 3 steering wheel control modules, GPS, AP4s, BCI, but notice that the ANC bypass harness is no longer there. That's because the Classic did not have a standalone ANC module. So, just take notice if this ever pops up when you're doing a vehicle search. You need to make a selection, because if you see all trim levels, it's going to show you the results for what works on both trim levels. So, for example, if you or your customer had a new body style Ram and you see this BCI module here, you may order it thinking it's going to work when in fact it does not, because that only works on the Classic, as you saw when we filtered here by Classic. So let's try another one. Let's do a 2019 Chevy Silverado, because again, we know they changed the body style on those quite a bit in 2019. So now if we just select Chevy Silverado 2019 and hit search, wait for it to load. So now as we scroll through here, we see there's quite a few things going on here. But again, you say, wait a minute, that was a whole new body style. How can all these same things work? So if you or your customer have the new body style, which we deem a non-classic, hit search. You can now see that the only thing we have listed are steering wheel control modules. There's no dash kit, there's no radio replacement, there's no AMP Pro, there's no speaker adapters, nothing. But then if you go to the Classic, which is the same as the 2018, and hit search, you now see that there are multiple radio replacement modules listed, steering wheel control modules, dash kit, satellite antenna adapters, speaker adapters, backup camera, AP4, APH, MCIs, all the stuff that was listed, for a 2018. So it's very important that you pay attention to this field right here if it's present when you look something up. So there's also another cool feature about the PAC website, which is over here, filter by category. So we can start it here, but I want to look up another vehicle in a minute to show you, but we'll do this one. So let's say you just want to do radio replacement. So if you click radio replacement, you can now see it's removed audio interfacing, video integration. So now you can see which, RP5 or LC module, steering wheel controls, dash kit, SAT antenna adapter, speaker adapters, backup harness, and that's it. So now if you wanted to take that a step further and say, okay, I only want to know, which dash kit works on this. Click dash kit. There you go. Filters it only by dash kit. So let's look up a vehicle that has quite a few modules associated, or products, associated with it. So we'll do a Chevrolet Avalanche 2012. Hit search. Now this one's going to take a little bit to load because it has a lot of products associated with it. Usually about 30 seconds is the max for a vehicle search. All right, here we go. So now, just by looking at this filter by category tree over here, you can see there's quite a bit. So let's go through them. We have Radio Pro Advanced, regular Radio Pros, the non-Radio Pro modules, low cost, second harness, steering wheel control modules, dash kits, antenna adapters, speaker adapters, USB adapter, AV retention, line output converters, navigation integration, smartphone integration, aux inputs, satellite radio, Bluetooth, iPod, quite a bit of stuff here, right? So, if you or your customer simply want to replace the radio, you could be very specific and say, I only want Radio Pro Advanced, standard dash kit stuff. So here we go. So now we see a GM3A, one of these two dash kits, these antenna adapters, and the speaker adapter. So now how do you know which one of these to choose, or which antenna adapter you need? That's all stuff we can find in the product pages, which I will cover in a separate video. But now notice here it says additional model information, all trim levels. There's no other selections there. So you don't have to worry about choosing that because the 2012 Avalanche only had one body style. So hopefully that helps everyone figure out how to navigate the vehicle search and how to refine your results. Like I said, in the next video, I'll cover the specific product pages and compatibility notes, instructions, things like that. So that's it for this video. Hope everyone enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.